Finish the calculations. Launch protocol initiated. Launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Seconds to impact.
Gotta hit. Hey, watch it.
Ah, my shin!
There it goes.
Stop me! Oh, Father, Nicholas! Don't die! It's Jesus!
We just fucked up the Oh, Diego, let's go teleport. We did it! This is beautiful.
What did y'all do to the Earth?
We fucking nuked it. We blew the whole fucking thing up.
Damn.
We come that way. Yeah. I clipped it.
That must be like
You do? Beautiful.
that's
You
the
recording
most
this whole thing?
scariest thing ever. Like imagine you're them.
Damn.
And you just look back at the Earth and see that the whole Earth is just exploded.
Nice. Alright, let's go.
The Easter egg.
Diego. We're about to go check out Area 51.
Transit.
Let's go check out what transit is. Oh my. Whoa. That's cool. We did that.
It's a mushroom.
Go. Oh my goodness. I want to get a screenshot real quick of the Earth blown up. That is cool. Alright, Diego, let's dashboard. You ready to dashboard, Diego?